Hey everyone, today we're going to play with the Slinky and we're going to show that when we release the Slinky to fall down, the bottom end don't move until the top end come to it. Here is the case with slow motion, and also the top part is moving twice faster as the center of mass, so it feels like 2G. The bottom is 0G and the center of mass falls with 1G. So the bottom doesn't move until the tension is released, and the end know that the tension is released. The upper part feel the gravitation plus tension, so that's why it's double times G. Okay, this is physics. If you're interested in such a kind of video, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you like this one, you can give a thumb up. Thank you, bye.